everybody, Danny here. Well, we're come to the end of this lesson series, so let's head on over to the easel, put a couple of finishing touches on it, recap what we've done. I'll meet you there. And here we go. It's essentially wrap-up time with our painting here. We've had a good time with it, but the time has come to put it aside and head on to the next project. But before we go, we just need to remember some of the things that we have done here, okay? We started out with a very simple figure 8. We turned that in to a boat. You've seen how to do it. It's really a pretty simple technique. So don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to use it, okay? Use these things. Have fun with them. Experiment with them. And you'll be a better artist because you do. Don't be afraid to be different, okay? Ever. The Impressionists were different. And everybody that paints is going to be a little different, okay? Now, tomorrow, we're going to start on a subject that I don't do a lot of, and that subject is flowers. We're going to paint some lilacs, okay? And I'll tell you kind of a funny story on myself as far as painting lilacs especially goes. Tomorrow, I'll kind of cue you in on that. It was rather amusing, although at the time it was terrifying. Okay, so be with me tomorrow. Our figure 8 boat came out just fine. Diffused background. We're bringing it into the foreground now. Here's the boat. We've got better color right up front here. And by golly, what that adds up to is intense color up front. It pulls this forward. It pushes that back. And we end up with depth and distance in our painting and a darn nice boat. So be with me tomorrow while we start out on our new adventure. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, hit the bell icon, leave comments. We need the comments. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. We got her all put to bed and ready to go. Now, let's move on to the next lesson series, which is going to be flowers. We're going to paint some lilacs. I'll see you there tomorrow. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you.